Have you ever wondered, how can a free app be worth billions? Millions use them, yet they don't charge a penny. It's perplexing, right? Today, we'll uncover the economics behind these free apps. Many free apps don't operate on a simple payoff. Instead, they turn users into revenue through ads, subscriptions, and more. Free is a strategy, but not every app is the same. Offering something free attracts users faster than charging upfront. The larger the user base, the more valuable the app becomes. Growth is essential for digital companies. Let's dive into how ads play a major role. Apps display ads to make money. Users provide their attention, advertisers pay, and that's how revenue flows. With millions of users, apps become appealing to advertisers wanting to reach people. Now, consider the freemium model. Some apps offer basic features for free, but charge for premium versions. Even if only a small percentage upgrade, the revenue from a large audience can be significant. In-app purchases take this further. Games and apps sell virtual items and extra features. Digital products are scalable, having no production or shipping costs for each unit sold. Next, we have commissions through platforms connecting buyers and sellers. Users access the app for free, but the platform earns through transaction fees. Let's talk about subscriptions. Free trials entice users to experience the service. If they find value, many will choose a paid plan. Genuine value matters more than tricking users with unclear costs. Data also plays a vital role in app performance. Companies gather information to improve services and personalize experiences. Privacy practices vary, so it's crucial to review settings and policies. Now let's explore scale. Suppose an app earns a small amount per user. Multiply that by millions, and you have a thriving business. It's simple math leading to impressive outcomes. Network effects are powerful. More users mean more value. As more people join, the app becomes better. This creates a competitive edge that's hard for others to overcome. Remember, the visible product and business model might differ. A messaging app may provide user value, while revenue comes from diverse channels. It's not always about selling users, but how do they keep apps free? There are many costs involved. Developers, servers, customer support, and improvements require funding. Sustainable models are crucial for long-term success. What lessons can entrepreneurs take away? Focus on providing value first. Build trust and understand customer needs. It's not enough to copy an idea. Solving real problems is key. Imagine downloading a free app. Your attention, purchases, or interactions contribute to their revenue. So think, if an app is free for you, who's paying? Why would a company invest millions in something free? A single download can launch a billion-dollar venture. The difference between tons of users and profitability is vast. Each app has its unique model dependent on user value and trust. In summary, free doesn't mean worthless. It's often part of a thoughtful strategy designed to create value. What free app do you use the most, and how do you think it makes money? Like, subscribe, and join Finance Flow for more insights into money and business. Have you ever stopped to think about the intricate relationship between user engagement and profit generation? Each download represents not just a number, but a gateway to countless opportunities for revenue, fueled by the creativity and innovation inherent in app development. In fact, the very lifeblood of these free applications lies within their user base, constantly growing, constantly interacting, constantly shaping the future of the digital marketplace. As they adapt to changing trends, free apps continue to refine their strategies, proving that when it comes to valuation, the concept of free truly holds a hidden depth worth exploring further. Apps essentially monetize the user experience in various forms, yet many users remain oblivious to the intricate mechanisms at play. For instance, each time you scroll through an app, your engagement feeds a complex ecosystem, simultaneously generating data that fuels targeted advertising. This tailored approach not only enhances the ad relevance but significantly boosts conversion rates, making the app even more attractive to advertisers seeking to maximize their investment. As users interact, they unknowingly become part of a larger narrative, one where their preferences and behaviors inform smarter, more efficient marketing strategies. By harnessing the power of analytics, app developers can identify trends and user behaviors that inform feature upgrades and new content, ensuring that their offerings remain fresh and engaging. This data-driven approach allows them to stay ahead of the competition, ultimately attracting more users and maintaining the delicate balance between free access and profitability. Each new update or feature not only retains existing users but also entices new ones, creating a robust cycle of growth that fuels the app's valuation. Furthermore, as a community forms around the app, user feedback becomes a crucial element, driving continual improvement and fostering loyalty among users who feel heard and valued in the process. While this intricate system may seem seamless, it's not without its challenges. Developers must constantly innovate to capture and engage users amid a sea of competition, ensuring that they remain relevant in a fast-paced environment. Each decision they make, from design choices to marketing strategies, impacts user retention and the overall profitability of their application. As the landscape evolves, so too must their approaches, adapting to new technologies and shifting consumer preferences that dictate the market's demands. This relentless pursuit of excellence underscores the dynamic relationship between free apps and their capacity to generate substantial revenue over time. Despite the challenges, these developers recognize the crucial need for transparency to build trust with users. By clearly communicating how data is used and the rationale behind their monetization methods, they foster enduring relationships that benefit both parties. Trust becomes the backbone of user engagement, ensuring that as the app evolves, users feel secure in their participation. Each choice a developer makes influences user retention and profitability, shaping the app's evolutionary journey. For instance, a learning app might introduce gamification to boost engagement, while a social platform may roll out new community features to foster connections among users. These tailored adjustments not only keep the application vibrant and appealing, but they also align closely with users' shifting desires and habits, ultimately driving continuous growth in user numbers. From integrating user feedback to committing to a roadmap of regular updates, developers use numerous tools to maintain a competitive edge that is both innovative and sustainable. As this cycle of growth continues, the app's ecosystem thrives, becoming a hub for users who feel invested in its trajectory. Encouraging engagement through exciting new features builds anticipation and loyalty, leading users to spread the word about their experiences. When users become advocates, they expand the app's reach far beyond simple advertising, bringing in new users driven by personal recommendations. In such environments, the interconnection between user satisfaction and an app's success transforms from a mere transactional relationship to a dynamic partnership where both sides benefit, ultimately establishing the app as an invaluable player within its niche. Each element within this ecosystem contributes to a comprehensive narrative where user engagement isn't just a metric, it's a vital currency. As the app evolves with user input, developers gain insights that drive not only innovation but also a deeper understanding of their audience. In conclusion, the journey of free apps illustrates the delicate balance between value creation and monetization, revealing that behind every free download lies a complex ecosystem striving for sustainability. As users engage and contribute to these platforms, they unknowingly shape the future of the digital economy.